Hello everybody, and welcome back to our farm. Today's very short video pertains to the harvest of black soldier fly larvae. We're going to share with you how we effortlessly harvest immature larvae, even from very wet and unmanageable substrate. To understand our problem, we first have to review how black soldier fly larvae are normally collected. In brief, when the larvae are full grown and mature, they turn black, they develop a tougher outer skin, and then they try to leave the bin so that they can dig into the ground and metamorphose into an adult fly. Collection is thus easy by putting ramps in the bin that are connected to a collection bucket on the outside of the bin. The mature larvae will crawl up the ramps and fall into the bucket. This works very well. However, we feed our larvae to freshwater prawns, and we don't want these dark, tough larvae, but rather the softer, immature larvae that are not trying to leave the bin. So our problem was to figure out how to collect immature larvae in an equally effortless manner as the widely used ramp and bucket method collects mature larvae. First of all, as always, our solution had to follow our 10 rules that seek to reduce the time, effort, and money involved in our activities. With this in mind, our solution was really quite simple. We use stackable screens of different mesh sizes. We take the screen with the largest mesh size, place some food in it, and then put it in the bin. After about an hour, the larvae rise up through the mesh to get the food and fill the screen. We then place the screen with the larvae in it on top of increasingly smaller mesh sizes with a solid container on the bottom. Larvae will run from the light and thus crawl down the stack of screens and get caught on different screens depending on their size. This of course results in larvae of discrete sizes being collected. The only thing left to do then is to wash them, to clean the muck off them, and they're good to go. However, the time and effort of harvesting larvae every day breaks our 10 rules. So to address this, we also place the larvae in a refrigerator set at more or less around 10 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, the larvae will go dormant and stay alive for at least several weeks, and probably longer. Just be aware that the larvae will throw up their stomach contents as they chill down, so they may need to be washed again before use. Our black soldier fly bin uses waste citrus and thus is rather wet and mucky, making it impractical to manually pull larvae out. And the immature larvae that we use will not self-harvest in the bucket. The method we just described, however, not only allows us to quickly get immature larvae out of wet muck, but to quickly and effortlessly size, clean, and store them alive for long periods of time. Can't beat that. Well, we hope you found this video useful. If so, please subscribe and click the like button so that YouTube's notorious algorithms will let others see this video too. Lastly, remember to check out our channel's playlist for other agricultural videos where we try to provide solutions to problems we encounter around our family farm. That's it for now. See you soon.